The WAVLINK USB-C Docking Station offers an impressive 12-in-1 design, providing users with a versatile plug-and-play experience. It supports dual 4K HDMI outputs and a VGA port, ensuring high-quality video resolution for multiple displays, making it ideal for multitasking. The dock's robust power delivery allows for efficient charging up to 100 watts, so you can charge your devices rapidly while transferring data. With two USB 3.0 ports and two USB 2.0 ports, it offers swift data transfer speeds and seamless connectivity for your peripherals. This docking station is compatible with a wide range of devices, including Thunderbolt 3 laptops, tablets, and smartphones, ensuring connectivity across platforms. The addition of an Ethernet port and SD card readers enhances its functionality, providing stable internet connections and easy access to external media.